learn about our topic number 63, do while loop statement. So let's look at looping statement. So in the previous video we have learned about the while looping statement in C language. Now it's time to learn about the do while loop. So let's look at do while loop. So here we have the syntax which is expressing us about the do while. Here first you need to initialize the variable. You have to initialize the variable first. Okay. And after that you have to use the do statement here, and after using this statement you have to open this curly braces. Okay, so this statement is going to be executed, and also increment and decrement operator here you can use. So you can use increment and decrement operator, and I have told you about the increment and decrement operator in the increment and decrement topic of C language. So go and just watch that if you not remember that, or if you are unaware of the fact about that what is the increment and what is decrement here. So go and watch that. So this thing is going to be executed. After execution of this thing is going to be executed. Okay. And here finally this is close curly braces, and while condition, if this condition is meeting true, then goes out of this bond, otherwise go again this statement, go and execute this statement again, and in the same way this will be executed, and after incrementing or decrementing the value, this while is going to check again the condition. So this is actually do while loop, and that's why its name is do while loop, because we are using a concept that is do. So statement is going to execute first here, then increment and decrement, then while condition. So if this condition is meeting true, then it will terminate, otherwise this statement will continue. So this is the proper way and proper syntax of the do while statement. Now let's look at the examples of it and how to build a program using the do while statement. Program using do while loop. So let's look at and watch it very carefully. So here I have a program which is to print hello world 5 times. Okay. So here what we will need to consider and do here is that we first have to declare the header files, that is hashtag include studio.h and hashtag include conio.h, and stereo stand for standard input output header file, and conio stand for control input output header files. And after the declaration of this header file, you need to use the function, that is the main function, which is going to run on the C language. So this is the main function whose return type is void, which means it's not going to return any value. After declaring, or we can say after using the main function, you have to open that function using the open curly braces. And here I am using or declaring a variable, initializing a variable which is storing a value 0 here of integer data type, because initialization was there in the syntax part. After initialization we have to write do, then statement, then increment decrement operator, then while condition. So if this condition is going to be true, this statement is going to be run, and this increment decrement is going to be executed. And suppose this statement becomes true again, then again this statement is going to be executed. And suppose this statement becomes false now, then it will terminate. So no any other statement is going to be executed here, because this condition becomes false, therefore it terminates. And it is the working, we can say, principle of do while loop. Now here is that program. We can say after the initialization I am using the CLR function whose work is to clear the screen, and we know about this thing. Okay, So use the do statement here, and after writing do here, you need to open the do. Okay. So after that, you need to write the statement, which is stating us after writing the do statement, you need to execute the statement here and increment and decrement operator. So I am just expressing my statement here by using the printer function, that hello world, because I have to print hello world 5 times. Therefore, I am writing hello world with the escape sequence, that is backslash n for the new line, which is used for the new line. Okay. Okay. And after that, I am using the incrementate operator. We can say increment operators here, that is the postfix increment operator. So I am actually incrementing the value of I with 1. Here I is 0. What I am incrementing here, then I become 1. So actually this statement is going to be executed first. Therefore hello world is going to be executed first. Then after that, this variable is going to be incremented. Therefore now I become 1. Condition checking, is 1 is less than 5. It is true. This is a true statement. This is the, we can say this is the I plus plus. And after execution, it become 1. So 1 true. Then again this statement is going to be executed, because 1 here, 1 is less than 5. Because this condition is true, therefore this statement is going to execute first, because the condition is true, and because the condition is true, therefore this statement is going to execute. Therefore hello world will be printed again on the screen. Now I become 2. So is 2 less than 5? This statement is again true, therefore hello world is going to be printed again. Now I become 3. 3. This statement is true, this condition is true, therefore again this statement is going to be printed. I become 4. This statement is true again, because 4 is less than 5. Therefore this condition is true. Therefore hello world is going to be printed again. Now I become 5. Now 5 is less than 5 is a false statement. Therefore this is going to be terminated. And this is the working of a do while loop in C language. So this was all about the do while loop statement in the C language. So thanks for watching. Dhanyavad.